have to. She has to. Now, when you take out M, it lessens the word. AKA, you get your lessons from your mother. The father looks at the mother as an adolescent, a child, something to take care of. Or why would they say he runs the house then? I'll wait. So let's move forward. With subtraction comes literally, you even in the word sub and traction, she has contractions during birth. If he adds, he basically gave her a seed, she sowed it and harvest, right? A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. But from what they're saying, obviously we didn't start off as a personification first. Someone had to come up with an idea. They did their thing in a place that then created a person. Hope that helped. Because obviously ain't nobody telling it, right? People fear individuals like myself because we really make things make sense. And some people get jealous because it's not them that can explain it that thorough. And they get scared of your gifts. I don't really care about people and their feelings. It's about doing what needs to be done, the requirements. So when we talk about rumors, why would they say this? So the talk of the town. Who's about to be the talk of the town? Who's going to be the talk of the town? Who's going to be put like Broadway, or it could be you could be just so broad like that. It could be a great thing, right? Not necessarily something bad, but for somebody else, they can get a little jealous. So when we look at the first scripture in Obadiah, you'll and recall, oh, but so where my Kenites at? Where you at? Yeah, we get it. We know. Yeah, we know. You'll see rumor. They heard a rumor. They heard right too. So when we think about Michael Myers, remember when Michael Jackson took a Thriller? He took his girlfriend to the movies or something odd like that. He took it to the movies. Or whatnot. Michael Myers. Let's normalize when you participate in straw man stuff. That other side of you, you don't understand that it is now something else over there, and other people have to deal with that entity all because you didn't want to deal with it. Now, it's funny how this says is starring on Peacock. Now, everybody that knows Oshun, or her stories thereof, knows that, if I can get to it. Hold on. Everybody knows Oshun is the replica of Peacock and the Vulture. Right? We're not going to act like we didn't just see that. So this is an attack on the daughters of Oshun. They would say Kemet due to, how the Pope bows to her. They don't want nobody to see it in real life. So they rather statue her, make a memorial of her, a memoir. They want to, so it could also be them exalting her for now, but later they got to go. Why? I mean, I'm thinking of all avenues. Like we can't necessarily say it's something detrimental. It could be something great. And, the tongue is powerful. So you still have to operate both side attribute and realize some people are going to like it and some people not going to like it. That's all I'm getting at. I can't operate outside of what I understand, overstand, and understand. Can't do that. Title 17, Chapter 1, your scope of practice. What's your scope of? Okay. What's your scope of practice? What do you do? How do you deliver the truth? Focus on it.